Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing good and must be learning with the help of my videos. So yes, it's our second chapter, component of food. We have discussed so many things in our first video. So those students who are new to this channel are requested to watch first part of this video and this chapter for better learning and better understanding. So let's start today's video. Today we are going to discuss some more topic in this video. These topics are diet, what does it mean, what is balanced diet, what and in which quantity nutrients require in different age and for different people, and the last one is how nutrient losses during cooking. It means when we cook our food, sometimes we lose some nutrients. Here is a picture and it shows food change everything. Yes, our food decide everything. Means our food tells so many things about us. If we eat healthy food, we become healthy. We must be healthy and feel energetic all the time. But if you don't eat healthy food, then you will not become as strong as other healthy person as compared to other healthy person. It means जैसा खाओगे हेल्थ बिल्कुल वैसी होती है और बॉडी बिल्कुल वैसी होती है. आपका एनर्जी लेवल आपके फूड पे डिपेंड करता है. आप जैसा खाना खाते हो, आपका रूटीन, आपका वर्क, सब कुछ वैसा होता है. डाइट. Our diet consists many food items made from cereals, wheat and rice, pulses, fruits, vegetables, eggs, milk, meat, fish, and so on. So according to our taste and our culture, or can say religion, we eat different food. Yes. For an example, if I took an example, so I can say those who are South Indians would love to eat sambar, idli, dosa. But those who are Chinese would love to eat noodles and momos and some Chinese dish. So it means according to our taste and according to our background, our food is different from others. If I take example of a child, or if I'm talking about a child, a newborn baby, what does it eat? The answer is so simple. Nothing. It only feed its mother, or we can say milk. But if I'm talking about you, or if I'm talking about school going childrens, then what will be the answer? It's roti, sabzi. It might be roti, sabzi, fruits, vegetables, and yes, of course, burger, pizza. How can I forget about pizza and chips and many other things? But if I'm talking about elder, and I can say adult, like your father, mother, or your granny, then what will be the answer? Think. Yes, of course, they ate the same thing which you eat, but their quantity is different. Their quantity is more than yours. Like they must eat food as compared as they must eat more food as compared to you. If you eat 6 roti, they must be eat 6 or more. So it depends on age also. So as a conclusion, we have find that the food that we eat during the whole day is called our diet, and our diet is different from other people, other person. Yes, here is another picture. This picture is look like a thali. Look at this picture. What does it contain? It has rice, potatoes, bread or pasta. It means carbohydrate. Milk and dairy products means protein as well as fat. Some fruits and some vegetables matlab minerals and vitamins. Foods and drinks high in fat, healthy fat, and or means it include healthy fat as well as sugar matlab carbohydrate. And yes, of course, there is meat, egg, fish means protein. But those who are vegetarians must be thinking, what can they eat? They can exchange these from pulses and peanut or soya bean and many other things which are high in protein. So what is the conclusion of this thali? It is that we have to eat each and every nutrients every day, or we have to maintain a balance in our diet. Like we have already discussed that our food must include each and every nutrient. The component of balanced diet depends on the sex means gender and age of a person. It means in different ages people eat different food. Depends on occupation means type of work, and depends on special need like during pregnancy or when you get ill. So it changes according to your need and according to your situations. The diet that contains adequate amount of all essential nutrients, roughage, water for the proper growth and development of the body is called balanced diet. It means you have to maintain a balance in your diet. It means you have to include every nutrient in your diet in a proper amount. Now how we can able to choose what is exact amount, in which amount we have to eat this, on in which amount we have to eat that. So look at this picture. This picture shows us that how we can include things in proper amount or proper quantity. We should eat carbohydrate and protein in high amount so that we feel always energetic, and it will also help us in building our body and muscles, and we will become stronger and powerful. And we must include fat but in less amount. Why? Because excess of fat leads to obesity. So according to this picture, you can observe this picture includes everything. It also includes ice cream, cakes, but in very less amount. Okay. So if we are comparing between two different people from different field, so what will be the conclusion? Let's take an example of a growing child like you all, or we can say school going children, and between a labor or rickshaw puller. So a growing child need more protein. Why? Because it's his and her age to grow. In this age, our body builds, or we can say we need more protein for proper growth of a child. And if I'm talking about a labor or a rickshaw puller, they actually work so hard. That's why they need carbohydrate in good amount so that they get enough energy to do their work, because carbohydrate are our energy giving food. So this example shows that our food and our balanced diet depends on our work or our type of work, or it also depends on our age. Here is another picture. Different diet for different person. So as we have discussed an example, we found that our diet and our balanced diet depends on us. It depends on our work, it depends on our age, as well as it depends so many things. It depends on so many things. This is a picture. This table shows us a diet plan for 4 to 10 years old children, which you can observe for your knowledge, as well as you are in this age, so it might help you to maintain your diet plan. And that's how it will tell how much of each nutrients you can include in your diet, so that you can convert your diet into a perfect, or I can say a balanced diet. I hope you are able to understand this picture. It shows that we need some ingredients and heat also to cook. We can say heat, or we can say cooking gas to make our food. But in village, some people use chulha as they don't have gas cylinder. But in cities, we all are using induction, microwaves and cooking gas. But do you know, when we cook our food, sometimes we lost some nutrients from it. Think how it can be happen. If you are eating healthy food, if you are eating green leafy vegetables, still it can be happen. Loss of nutrient during cooking. Yes, it's true. If we don't cook food in proper way, then we will not get any benefit or any nutrients from it. Eating a right kind of food is not enough. We should also be cooked properly so that nutrients are not lost. So let's see what we can do for this, or how we can prevent this. What steps we should take during cooking? First is no repeated washing. Why? Because repeated washing of pulses and rice causes the loss of water soluble vitamins and minerals. It means raw pulses and raw rice have some vitamins and minerals, and when we wash them in excessive water, then they dissolve in water, and we pour the water in waste box. That's how we lost some nutrients, or we can say all nutrients, by excessive washing. Next point is, don't wash peeled vegetables and fruit. Washing off some peeled and cutted vegetables and fruits causes a loss of water soluble vitamins. So first we have to wash them, after that we have to peel them. Next is, don't remove thick peel from vegetables. Mostly thick peels are removed from vegetables and fruits. It results in the loss of nutrients. So next time, when will you remove cucumber peel? Have this point in your mind. Fourth point, don't cook at very high temperature. If cooking is done at very high temperature, see, I'm talking about very high, then many protein and vitamins are destroyed. What we can do in this case, we should not cook our food at very high flame. If cooking is done in excess of water and that water is thrown away from cooking or after cooking, many water soluble vitamins and minerals are losses. So dear students, I hope I was able to clear your doubts. I hope you enjoyed the video and you must learn good things from this video. Please do like to motivate me, and yes, do subscribe for better learning. And if you will subscribe this channel, you will get a notification whenever I will upload a video. You will get a notification. And please let me know if you have any doubt through comments. So please do comments. So we'll upload third and last part of this chapter very soon. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Don't go outside unless it is so urgent or necessary. Okay then, tata bye bye. Thank you for watching this.